Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 14 from the triangle chapter. Our question, sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC. So we have taken a triangle. So the vertices are ABC and the median is AD are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, PR and PM. Median name is PM of another triangle PQR. That's what we have drawn here. ABC is one triangle, PQR is another triangle. AB side and PQ side are proportional. AC and PR are proportional. AD and PM is also proportional. Now we have to show that triangle ABC and triangle PQR both are proportional. We have to, similar we have to show. Now actually given as AB by PQ is proportional to AC by PR, which is equal to AD by PM. All these three are proportional is given. Now we need to show that, we need to prove that what we need to prove is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. To show the similarity condition, we need to show that all the three sides are proportional. Here instead of giving a side, they have given the median. We need to show that BC side and QR side also proportional, we have to say. Otherwise we need to show that any one of the condition, SAS, ASA, any one of the condition we have to prove for these two triangles. To prove these two triangles are similar. Now with the help of this diagram we cannot complete this one because we don't have any idea about any of the angles also. This is given as a median, this is not altitude also, we cannot take 90 degree. So we have to do some construction now. So what is the construction we are going to do is, we are going to extend the AD line to some point. Let us take E here, so that this AD and this DE length are equal. That is the construction we are doing it here. So construction, so without construction we cannot prove it. So definitely you have to construct something, construction. So what we have proven is the AD is produced to E. AD is produced means that line is extended. AD is produced to E, so that AD length and DE length are equal. So we can connect this here, and this B also we can connect with this E. Definitely this is a quadrilateral with four-sided figure. So these two sides are also equal. Opposite sides are definitely it will be parallel. The same thing here also we are going to do. Let us take a production of PM. Let us produce PM to N. Definitely Mn and PM are equal. That is also construction we are doing it here. Now PM is produced to N, so that PM and Mn length are equal. Now let us join it here with the N. So we are getting a quadrilateral with the opposite sides are parallel. Now let us start the proof now. We need to show any of the angles are equal or any sides we can proportional we need to prove. Let us take half of the triangle first. So I am going to consider this half triangle of this diagram and this half triangle of this diagram I am going to consider. Now in these two triangles, here we already know that AB side and PQ side are proportional is already given in the question. Now AD and PM is also proportional because median is proportional is given. So AD and PM is proportional is already given to us. Now this is only half of the side of the shaded triangle. Now what we should do is we have to multiply and divide it by 2 with this median. 2 times AD by 2 times PM. Whatever you are multiplying and dividing with some number, it will not affect your answer. If you are cancelling 2 and 2, this will be the same answer again. Why we are multiplying and dividing by 2 means, you will be getting it 2 times AD. 2 times AD will be AE. The whole length you will be getting 2 times AD and AE length will be equal because this and this are equal. That is a construction we have done it. So we can write it AE, and this one 2 times PM. PM, this also PM length only. So 2 times PM can be written as PN. So this whole length and this whole length also equal we have taken. Let us take this is our equation 1. Now we already know that opposite sides are equal and parallel. So I can say that BE is a side which is equal to AC. Here the same way QN is a side which is equal to PR, we can say that. Now these two equations are equal. From this one what we can take is, children, both are equal. If you are dividing by, suppose BE by QN and this is AC by PR, definitely this ratio also will be same. Suppose this is 5 cm, this is also 5 cm, they are equal. This is 2 cm, this is also 2 cm, that also equal. Definitely 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2, that also definitely equal only, no? So whenever we are getting the same side, equal side like this, that definitely the ratio also will be equal, we can say. Now AC by PR, this ratio, AC by PR ratio is equal to BE by QN we are getting. But from the question we can say that this AC by PR, this ratio, AC by PR ratio is already equal to AB by PQ, we can say. So in this place, in the place of AC by BE by QN can be written as AB by PQ also. This is from the given condition. It's already mentioned in the question itself. This is from the beginning we are taking this one. Now this is our second equation. Now look at the diagram. So BE and QN ratio is equal. AB and PQ ratio is equal. AE and PN ratio is also equal because this is a ratio of the median. Definitely the ratio of the median is also equal to AB by PQ. So all the three sides ratio are equal for these two triangles. That is ABE triangle, PQN triangle. For both the triangles, all the three sides proportional. So we can write it from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So all the three are equal. That is AB by PQ is equal to BE by QN, which is equal to AE by PN. All the three sides are equal. Then we can state that triangle ABE will be similar to triangle PQN. Definitely they will be similar since all the three sides are proportional. Now since these two triangles are similar, all the angles of the two triangles will be equal only. Let us take any angle in the diagram. So we got it, ABE triangle and PQN triangle, both this half triangle and this half triangle are similar. So we can say that all the angles of the similar triangles are equal. Suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, definitely these two angles are equal, we can say that. Same way, this side half triangle and this side half triangle also will be similar. You no need to write the complete proof again. Similarly, we can state that triangle, this triangle name is ACE triangle, definitely similar to PRN, triangle PRN, definitely this also equal. Suppose this is angle 3, this is angle 4, means since they are similar triangles, these two angles also will be equal. We know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, both are angles of a similar triangle. Now we are going to add these two. Suppose if we are adding angle 1 plus angle 3, definitely that angle will be angle 2 plus angle 4. These two addition will be equal to these two addition because this and this are equal, this and this also will be equal. So angle 1 plus 3 will be giving you the whole angle of angle A. This is my angle A, total angle A. This 2 plus 4 will give you the total angle P. Now getting back to the original question, this is our original diagram. That is our ABC, this is our PQR. In our question they have given us AB side and PQ side is proportional to AC side and PR side. This is already this two and these two are proportional, it's given. Now we don't want the median itself. We know that angle A and angle P is also same. That is what we have proven here. Now this is one side, this is one angle. Again one more side we are getting. So this is side, angle, side similarity, SAS similarity. Under the SAS similarity we can say that triangle ABC definitely similar to triangle PQR. That is our proof, children. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.